Welcome to the second part of the Google Sign-In with Flutter. And in this first tutorial and in this first video, we're gonna learn how to create our application and how to create our button. So click on Next and let's select the name for this app. Flutter Example Sign-In. Oh. Flutter Example Sign-In. You can name it, you can call it whatever you want. Our sample app is finally done. So let's Command A and clear everything. And the first thing, we're gonna import the material. The second thing, we're gonna run the app. Here in Home, you can see that we don't have the Google Sign-In demo yet, but we're going to create it right now. So let's create a stateful widget. And let's call it Sign-In Demo. So in the next, we're going to start creating the rounded button. The first thing we need to do here is to create a widget. And we're going to call it rounded button. And we're going to return a material. Yeah, let's return a material. And there will be child. And this child is going to be a padding. Let's put some symmetrical padding. Edges inset.symmetric. It's going to be a horizontal of 24. And there will be a child app. And we are creating our button with a container. So let's set a width for this, and it's going to be media query dot of dot size dot width and height. I don't want it to be so high. So 56 is enough. And let's insert some decoration. That will be a box decoration. And inside the box decoration, let's start a border radius. That's gonna be a border radius that circle. Let's make that button a kind of circular. And we're gonna set the value of 10. And let's set the color of the button. That's gonna be colors.gray. Colors.gray. Just right in the center of the container, we're gonna put a child called center. And in the center, we're gonna put a text. And the text is going to be Google, let's call it like sign in with Google. And let's put some style. In the style, let's create a font size of 18, and the color of the text of the button text is gonna be colors.white. So how do we call it on the screen? Simple. We have a container, so let's set the color of the container here like colors.white. And in the, let's set a center because I want the rounded button to be on the center. Child center. Then we get the name of a widget, which is rounded button. And I'm gonna put like a child rounded button. I know that there are a lot of ways to do that, but so come with me and let's make it together. So let's run the app. So guys, the build is complete and you can see that our button is working fine. So see you in the next class.